stretches far and wide.
It's a significant part of my identity to be able to be on country, to be able to sing my traditional language, to be able to come back to one of the places where my cultural journey began, where I first started to learn about myself as a Gamilaraay person.
And I'll bet you didn't know about wave rock.
We're on Gamilaraay country at a place called Little Wave Rock, Gamilaraay. It's a ceremonial place. It's where the old people would gather to journey down to Boundary Rock and other sacred sites that are scattered across these hills. You could call it an ancient lookout because it delivers a 4D map of our sacred site.
Gamilaraay land.
It's believed that if you set foot barefoot on the rock, that you can see an ebb and flow of the spirits of our ancestors. Anyone's initial thoughts of that would think, that's really cool, that's an awesome thing, you know, what an experience that would be, but it's disrupting the spirits that are supposed to be resting. So that's why we pay respects to the rock by not setting foot on it, by not touching it, by preserving it, coming and going and leaving it in its natural state, the state it's been in since the beginning of time.